take you over to Mercy Kandie, who is in Eldoret Town, a town that is obviously watching the events of the case today quite closely. What is the sentiment on the ground when you take a look at this case? We talked about the prophecies yesterday. Mercy?
Yes, Yvonne. What is happening currently here in Eldoret is that the ICC case is not being discussed as much as it used to before. But the people that we talk to in the streets are telling us that in as much as they want justice at The Hague, is that their leaders should learn a lesson that we as a country, and especially the Rift Valley, and in particular the North Rift, that had violence hotspots, should not go back to where it was. And remember, the list started with the infamous Ocampo 6 to now Deputy President William Ruto and radio journalist Joshua Arap Sang. So this is a brief profile of radio journalist Joshua Arap Sang. Listen in. To his listeners, when he worked as a radio presenter, Joshua Arap Sang was popular, referred to as Arap Sang, as he hosted a morning show, Lene Emet, loosely translated as "What is the world saying?" on Cars Radio, and that popularity went through the roof after he was named by the then International Criminal Court Chief Prosecutor Luis Moreno Ocampo in the infamous Ocampo 6 list on 15th December 2010. Fatou Bensouda has since taken over from Ocampo.
When everybody or all the attention goes to the president, deputy president, I do understand, because for sure these are people who have a greater responsibility for this country than I.
According to the Office of the Prosecutor, Sang used his popularity and position to fan the flames of the ethnic violence leading up to and during the 2007-2008 post-election violence. Arap Sang was born in 1975 in Kitale, Trans Nzoia County. Sang graduated from the Kenya Institute of Mass Communication in 2006 and later attended Moi University, where he graduated in 2011. The father of two is accused of the crimes against humanity of murder, deportation, forcible transfer of population and persecution in parts of the Rift Valley. His initial appearance at the Hague-based court was on 7th of April 2011. Arap Sang is facing the charges alongside Kenya's Deputy President William Ruto. Mercy Kandie, KTN News, Eldoret, Uasin Gishu County. There you have it, the man, radio journalist Joshua Arap Sang. So keep it KTN News at what unfolds in terms of the North Rift region with regard to the ICC cases at The Hague. Back to you in Nairobi, Yvonne.